Icodon on the beat. 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 Icodone 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 on the beat.
What's up, YouTube, my people? And guess what, with our people? We're at Hellshire, finally in Jamaica. This is like day 3 in Jamaica, you know, my people. So me I send you a vlog. Remember what I did tell you, you know, people say what? 416 to 876 what? Jamaica, my people. Finally in Jamaica, my people. So right now, people, you know, a soccer date, you know, people, Argentina versus France or something like that. So with the Hellshire, we're just going to enjoy the day, and I wanted to take you guys along with us. But you know, some part music I go play, so I'm just going to show the area, and you can just check it out. And like I say, people, a whole heap of video I put out and go now. Probably 20-30 minutes video, probably not going to be talking, just music I play over the video. I'm just showcase the place, because you know, people just want to see the enjoyment and the vibe of what's going on in Jamaica. And this is like day 3, so this is part 1 of the vlog, you know, my people. What me just say, 84162 Jamaica. Please, people want to subscribe, you know, like and share, you know, my people. I'm going to show you how me get my fisherman thing at Hellshire, you know. I'm going to go on to lobster. And yes, my people, let's come on, man, people. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll go up my house, you know. And people, I'm not forget, I got the hardware store, them phone, see and way to show the prices, them. I'm going to show a couple party live, I'm going to show a couple music video behind the scenes and stuff. What we out here do and shoot, and you know, people, but I'm going to go on a little tour at Hellshire Beach right now while we are waiting for some food. Alright, my people, please like, share, and subscribe. And we're at Hellshire Beach, Jamaica, people. That is it.
Icodon on the beat.
So right now, people, Father Day night, want some people. I say I'm gonna bring up my father and him brother and them friends them, you know, my cousin. So we are come eat some fish and enjoy. You know, people, when you come to Jamaica, that's the mentality, you know. You know, the ones that we care for you all the years. If you can show you, give them youths and stuff, you come back and, you know, every time my money, you know. You know what I mean? And mom I tell them I don't have money to give them. You know, money I can just take out people, and like I said, the house I come back after 2 years people I haven't been here to see the house. So I say, you know what, I need to come back and inspect the place and see what little I can do. But we never bring no big money like that, so just come this time to come have fun, to enjoy life and eat some good food and go back over and go work again in the cold. You know what I mean, people? But while I'm near though, I want to shoot as much as possible to put out content for the lovely people of our YouTube, because I only subscribe and give me 1,000 already, you know. Want to go up to all at 10,000, you know, my people. So I'm going to walk the beach for, you know, so how big it is. Different shops for my people. And show you Hellshire. See, look you them over Hellshire, my people. Alright then, man. Alright.
Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the
people. So this is the local next side around Hellshire, you know. But people, let me tell you something. Jamaica get expensive. Wicked power now, man, my people. Remember 2 years ago, my father and my people. 1 pound of fish was $1,700 to $1,800, right? Over Hellshire, right? You know they cook it and you get corn and all them things, right? See right now, people, 1 pound of fish is $2,500 Jamaican. Okay, 1 pound of lobster is $2,500 Jamaican at Hellshire Beach. Alright, so I just want to start the video, put the scene. So if you not fall down in between 2022 right now, December to 2023, then just look out for them prices. So if you are coming, you and just a girl, or you and just a guy, or you and your family, if I'm more than 10 people, I'm telling you, you're gonna pay over $50,000 for that food. Alright? Between me, my cousin, my uncle, my father, right? That's all we need, I say, with the car and my little extra thing. That's all I call it almost $15,000. Right? That's a gone. We just couple people, my people. You understand? It's very, very expensive. But I'm gonna show you a style where I can play upon them people there. Where you can get that for about half price like what me did do. You understand me? I try to show my people. But on the comments, and if you want to find out how to go around a high price like that, I remember in Jamaica with my people. We can cut that in half of the price, my people. I will make you know about it. Have a comment, my people. And tell me what you want to see a Jamaica, my people. Like me say, the house we are going to mostly be up at, I look at, I go around, I shoot music videos out here, photo shoot. So now I see a lot of that, couple party lifestyle in the night time and stuff like that. Couple street dance, plus I'm going to sting. So I might vlog a little bit of sting to show you guys on this too, my people. So I'm going to just go and enjoy the vibe and go and check out the video, my people. And check out the area. Yeah, man, people, I know. I need to line up. When I pack my suitcase, I forget my liner and shaver. My mother have to tell me, say, yo, you know, say if you get your thing on the couch, I'm like, Jaja, God, man. But through them I come to Jamaica, them say them I go bring it for me. But people, I go walk around again, showing you a place. Remember again, all heap of place, I can't play the music where I play. So I have to put a different music over it because of copyright issues. You know what I mean, my people? But I will continue walk and showing the area how the place look right now, December 2022. Alright, my people, check it out. Close down. Yes, my people, so this is like the next side of Hellshire. Like, you know, look at store part them and stuff like that. I can't go, sorry people, I can't really talk too long in the video because every shop I play music, so this is not a talking video. Alright, my people, so go and check it out still.
Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the
So right now, people, this is the end part of Hellshire. We can talk, not a lot of music playing, so we can talk. But can't say today is a Sunday, you know, my people, and the place is just dead. But I think it's because of the game. So I know say later on now, a lot of people probably pulling up because I can already see a lot of people start pulling up already. Plus them sound box and things, so you know, so people are gonna celebrate and stuff like that. I know me, I walk around this side here too and come back around the other side and show you. Hear me, people? But yeah, man, people, we're in Jamaica. That now you're getting the 876 part of Jamaica. When all did want to see all the subscribers who subscribe to me and think we're not gonna reach over this side there yet. We come on a surprise, you know. Come going to the 876 part of the vibe of Jamaica. You understand, my people? Yeah, man. So this is the 876 part of Jamaica. This part now lead back to around, so yes, my people, and check it out, man. This is Jamaica, my beautiful subscribers. I just want to like, you know, my people, share the content, you know, subscribe, you know. Hellshire Beach 2022, you know, my people. Probably I'm probably gonna post this one as a 2023 video. You understand? Yes, man, my people. Cause I think I have one more Canadian vlog I need to put out before I see which part the house reach. And I only think we have to talk about the house, you know, people. Cause I only imperfection and stuff like. Now go see what I have to talk about still. Roofing and all of them stuff there. Now just learn from me and my mistake, yeah, people, and just, you know, have the time to fly to Jamaica and do the stuff local by local, or you just buy a house straight and call it a day if you have the money. If you don't have the money to build, don't build. Just if you have the money to build and you have the time, can go back and forth, I would say do so. But if you don't worry about it. Buy one kind of uptown and call it a day. But people, I must say Jamaica bad and this and that. Yes, the people when you hang around my people that me I try to show, you know. And sometimes, yes, wrong place, wrong time. The environment. Sometimes when the family mix up in a garbage and stuff like that, and them not telling my people. They not telling you. And then you go stand up with them, boom. Them friend mix up in a garbage and them not telling my people. And then now you go chill around with them. Drive by shooting happen. Look what happened to that man. What in Canada. And he got Jamaica. I mean I got Leon it still, but you just have to say that's just sad, you know. But to me, people, and I've been here for the 2-3 days right now, it's okay to me. You understand? Alright, people, so over that side is a paid beach. I don't remember the name, you know. But I'm gonna walk on the top for sure, you know. No, I'm gonna try to go through right there, sir. But that side now, people, I think it's Sugarman Beach. I don't think it's Sugarman Beach. But this side, I think you have to pay $500 Jamaican to get it into. But I just think it's dirtier. So I don't know why I don't want to pay my money and it's dirty. Because look on it, be a morass and greens, weeds, seaweeds and stuff. So I don't know why I don't want to pay my money and I'll be a seaweeds and stuff. But check it out, my people. There are a lot of parties over there, so, and stuff like that. check out the beach, my people. You hear that noise, people? You hear that sea water, my people? You hear the sea water, my people? Come on, Jamaica, man, people. Like me say, for a resort, I want to stay upon, you stay upon your resort. But the vibes in Jamaica is still the same happy vibe. But yes, the crime and the news make you afraid. Yes, people who come at the first studio, I'm afraid like a puss. But I don't make that overshadow what's the purpose why I come to Jamaica. I know it's the Father God, the on my side. The end of the day, I don't go places where I'm not supposed to go. You understand? Place and place in a war, I'm hurry up and cut. You know? I got to Central Village just an hour ago. Go pick up my father. Boom, I have to leave. Pick him up and leave. Not even 20 minutes, not even 10 minutes. Because I don't like them places. You understand? And you sit down out there and boom, boom, boom. You don't know what happened. You understand my people? So you know what? Fear chill. Run. The vital community them. I mean I just stay in Central Village alone. You have Grand State, you have all of the ghettos and these and that. People you come to Jamaica, just know what you are there, man. That's all me have to say. Just keep yourself safe, out of harm's way, and just enjoy the life what you have. Because one life you have now, people. When you have 2, 3 and 4. So just when you go to some places, just look out of your corner here like them say. And you know who you are going around. And yeah, just vibe. No, it's just like a vlogging camera by itself. Yeah. Alright. I don't know. But let me show you look next. Go dig out ditch. This is a spot themselves. This is most of the restaurant in right here, so now my people. It's a be a restaurant around here, so you still can vibe out. But around here, so now my people, it's not bad enough. But they mostly clean fish and stuff. Right there, so you know if you swim right there, so you see. And they are clean some fish right there, so. And then yeah. Hellshire my people. This is Hellshire right now. 2022/2023 video this I will put out for vlogging. People, I'm gonna try my best to put up at least 2-3 vlogs a week, but you know when they are Jamaica, so I go vibe. So I must be probably just taking a lot of videos. I have like a 400 GB SD card. So I'm probably just gonna shoot everywhere we go. And then put the videos in together to different places. Different driving shots. That's a lot of different videos. Well, me just have a go portion of videos, driving videos, chilling videos, you know, these adventurous one with the Hellshire, the mountains, different. I'm gonna try to go to a different river or falls every week. But again, people, you can't talk for too long again, because I come up in the copyrighted music part them again. So I just want to enjoy the views. And people, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, my people. Please, man, big on just like, share, and subscribe. Alright? And bless up.
Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat. Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the Icodone on the beat. Icodone on the Icodone.